Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Redragon K668 RGB gaming keyboard. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, first look, the packaging is neat, everything packed securely. So here's what we get. The keyboard itself, a set of extra mixed color keycaps, a switch puller, an extra red switch, and the USB cable. Let's connect it to the PC. It also has two-stage adjustable feet for a comfortable typing angle. Now, the fun part, RGB lighting. There are multiple preset modes and even a music sync option where the lights dance to your audio. You can control it directly from the keyboard, really cool for setup aesthetics. Use the software to make some unique macros or adjust backlight modes on your keyboard. Complex and cool combo can be activated with one click. Now, let's listen to the actual key sound. This is my first mechanical keyboard, and I'm really impressed with it. It's budget-friendly and perfect for anyone switching to a mechanical keyboard. Highly recommended.